Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rename or change radio button's name in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select form option and select a select field and this is a radio button and this all of this radio button now different. You can change this radio button name one by one and select here name, type here, and this one the same, and this one also, and select here general option and on, and this, and all of these three read out name now same. Now select hand option and click here, and this is working. Also you can rename all of them at once. Now select field and select all of them. Now press right button and select properties. Also type here 0 and see this all of them name now 0 and select hand. Yeah, in this way you can change a radio to name. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.